Hey guys! In this video, I will show you how to share Netflix with friends. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Start by opening the Netflix app on your device. Once it loads, you'll be taken to the home screen. At the bottom, you'll see several options. Go ahead and tap on the section labeled My Netflix. Here, you'll see your profile name. Tap on the drop-down next to it, and you'll find an option called Manage Profiles. Select that to continue. Netflix allows you to create up to 5 profiles on a single account. If you still have an available slot, you'll notice a plus icon. Tap on that to add a new profile. Now you can set up a profile for the person you want to share your account with. Simply enter their name and adjust any settings if needed. Once everything looks good, tap on Done, and the new profile will be created. And that's it. So that's basically how you can share Netflix with friends. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.